In today's video, I'm going to show you how to uncomplete a task in Todoist. We've all done it. You tick a task off feeling productive, and then you realize, wait, that wasn't actually finished, or maybe you marked the wrong one by mistake. The good news is that bringing a completed task back to life is wonderfully simple, and I'll show you exactly how. Let's dive in. First, I'll head into my project. Here's my website redesign project. Now, completed tasks are hidden by default. So the first thing I need to do is make them visible. I'll click the Display Options button in the top right corner and then flip on the toggle labeled Completed Tasks. There we go. Now all my finished tasks appear in the list, each one showing a check mark to mark it as done. Let's say I want to bring one of these back. All I have to do is click on the check mark next to the completed task. The moment I do, Todoist uncompletes it, and that task springs right back into my active list, exactly where it was before. Ready to be worked on again. It really is that easy. There's no digging through menus or hunting for an undo button. You just reveal your completed tasks, click the check mark of the one you want back, and it returns instantly. This is incredibly handy for those moments when you complete something too early, or when a task you thought was done turns out to need a little more work. Instead of recreating it from scratch and losing all its details, its due date, its comments, its priority, you simply uncomplete it and pick up right where you left off. So the next time you tick something off by accident, don't worry. Just flip on completed tasks, click that check mark, and you're back in business. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.